Exposing the secrets in the 48 laws of power. Let's tackle the first two pivotal laws. Law number 1, never outshine the master. Always make those above you feel comfortably superior. In your quest to impress, avoid displaying your talents too much. Why? Because showing off might inspire fear and insecurity in your superiors. Instead, let them shine brighter. Make your masters appear more brilliant than they are, and you'll climb the ladder of power. Now, on to law number 2. Never put too much trust in friends, learn how to use enemies. Friends can betray you quicker than you think. They're easily aroused to envy. They can become spoiled and tyrannical. But a former enemy? They'll be more loyal because they have something to prove. Yes, you heard that right, more loyal. It's better to know your enemies and use them to your advantage. If you don't have enemies, maybe it's time to find some. Friends often hide things to avoid conflict. Dangerous, right? Keep friends for friendship, but work with the skilled and competent. Whenever possible, bury the hatchet with an enemy and put them in your service. Use enemies to clearly define your cause. Frame it as a struggle of good versus evil. Knowing where your opponents are gives you the upper hand. Unlock the power within you by mastering these laws. Stay tuned for more insights from the 48 Laws of Power.